Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be discussing social media marketing for Teachers Pay Teachers, specifically how to create consistent and automated posts for free. Hopefully, this video will give you some ideas on where you can start in your social media marketing journey. So, the big question is where to start, and I find this part overwhelming. So, basically, you're going to want to pick the platforms that you want to use. And then you are going to want to sign up for business accounts. So for me personally, I'm choosing TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest because they have the same video format. So they're all going to be in a vertical format. So it'll be easy to post them across different platforms. So when possible, you want to sign up for a business account because that is typically what they will ask you for when you go and sign up for the most amazing tool ever. This is not sponsored, but it is called Metric Cool, and you should sign up for the free account. So, when you go to their website, you're going to see a whole bunch of different plans, and this might have changed depending on when you are seeing it, but they claim that they're always going to have a free version forever. And what I like about this is that it is actually free. So I've signed up and tried a whole bunch of different ones like Tailwind, Later, just a lot of different ones. And they seem very limited in their free account, or they're not even free at all. They give you like a free 7-day trial and then they want you to pay for it. And from past videos, you may know that I want to try to keep my costs as low as possible. So I really do not want to have to pay for a service. So this will give you management of one brand, and that is, your one account, your one login, and you can do multiple social media profiles, except for LinkedIn. So you can schedule up to 50 posts a month, and I'm not too sure about the other features, but for me personally, the 50 posts a month is what was important to me. I'm mainly focusing on Pinterest. And then my second scheduling is going to be TikTok. And then I can also just go into YouTube and upload the videos from there and schedule them as I want. So my idea is I'm going to be doing, depending on the month, 30 to 31 posts on Pinterest and the remainder on TikTok, probably during weekdays. So I went ahead and used this and signed up for like my social media accounts, and I got some interesting data. As you can see, I only put a few posts on this, and I am getting a little bit of traffic. As you can see, I range anywhere from like 25 to 48 views per video. And that may not seem like a lot. However, I like to think about it as individual people in a room seeing my product. So if I think about going into a room and there's 48 people in them, all of them have seen this product. So my product is getting more exposure. And that's kind of what I'm trying to focus on when I'm looking at expanding on these different social media platforms. Now, last year I did try doing Pinterest. And the main thing that I had trouble with was in Pinterest, you can only schedule up to 2 weeks in advance. And that did not work out great for my schedule. I was very overwhelmed. And this plan, in my mind, makes sense and works for me. But it may not work for you, and you may not be ready to do your social media yet. This is completely up to you and what you want to do. But for me, I feel like I saw some good growth on Pinterest. As you can see, I had about 1,000 impressions and the engagement was up, my total audience. This shows me that just in 1 month brand new on Pinterest, that there is traffic being, people being able to see my products. So I feel like that's a win. And I know that from what I've seen online, the more consistent you are, the more favor you're going to have in the algorithms from what I've seen like on YouTube videos and stuff. So I feel like this is all like to me encouraging data. Finally, here is a YouTube shorts that I put on YouTube. I did 3 videos and I had a total of 125 views. So I'm looking at 125 people somewhere have seen these products. So I feel like that's very encouraging. And I don't know. I feel like doing this marketing tactic, I feel like it could work and it could drive more traffic to my products. So when I'm looking at this social media for TPT, I'm obviously doing what's best for me. You should choose what's best for you. You can try it. And if it doesn't, if you find that it doesn't fit in your schedule, you don't have to do it. But this is kind of the way I'm going forward. And hopefully it'll, help get some clarity for you if you're struggling with marketing, because that is definitely something I struggle with. For me personally, creating the pins and the videos and stuff, that's easy, but understanding the marketing and the SEO and, search engine optimization, all that stuff is new to me and I'm learning it. So, that's kind of where I'm focusing my education right now, is understanding marketing and how I can, improve upon that. So what is next? So our next video is going to be a detailed plan for August. So that is going to be what products I'm going to make, maybe give you some ideas on products that you can make for August. And then the video after that will be a detailed marketing plan. So when am I going to start marketing? How am I going to go about it? All of that good stuff. And then the video after that is going to be a detailed Metricool tutorial. And this platform is really easy to post on, and I feel like it's going to just automate your process and help you become consistent with your social media posts. I like watching videos on YouTube, and Think Media always says consistency is king. So, that's kind of what I go by. I'm trying to be more consistent with my content that I'm producing. Obviously, I can improve, but yeah, that's what's going to be next on our video playlist. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below on what social media platform you are going to be using if you're interested in marketing or if you want to see a specific video. I will see you next time.